Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we're wrenching on my buddy's Really Clean OBS. I'm sure you guys remember him, Vasco. He's my homie that went down to Daytona with me, helped me get the Ford back, the coil over the whole nine. He's helped me on a lot of shit. So we're wrenching on his truck today. I'm gonna let him explain what we're doing.
So we got obviously the 1996 F250 here with the 7.3 turbo diesel. Unfortunately, it is a two-wheel drive, but that's going to be another video in the future when we do a four-wheel drive swap on this. So, but today we're going to be throwing on the Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate, which has got pretty much the bump stops inside the bags. So this is going to be able to save the fifth wheel, gooseneck, hitch. If you guys have it, I believe it does work. But this kit's number is 88298. I believe I got it on Amazon, but it is straight up airlift. You know, it comes with everything that you do need. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the one side that we do already have installed. We're gonna go through and show you exactly step by step how we did everything. The one thing that we did kind of change up in this, so it is a load support lifter. It's not really a lift kit or anything like that, right?
Yeah,
so,
it's not like the bags. I haven't showed you guys, but if any of you guys have ever seen the Kelderman bags, I have Kelderman bags in my Dodge, so they actually allow me to adjust and raise and lift, but because it's a totally different type of bag style. So these are strictly going to be for, you know, you guys that are towing heavy loads, stuff like that. They're just helper bags instead of a replacement to any type of suspension.
So we're gonna go ahead and show you kind of what we did. Don't mind us. We're kind of not even fully slept or anything. I need to go to bed here soon. It is very, very late.
It's getting late. It's already 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we already took care of the other side, so we can actually show you what it looks like done, installed, everything like that. We still need to run his lines, but then we'll take you over, show you step by step what we're gonna do on the other side, and it's really not that bad. All right, bringing you guys on around to the back. So here is the side that he already did. I didn't do much. Don't let him fool you. So this is kind of where we're at. We had to drill 2 holes through the fifth wheel bracket. We'll show you guys exactly how to do and what to do and all that kind of stuff on the other side. We had to drill 1 hole on this side. One was already pre-existing. Get a couple of U-bolts. And then these are the spacers. We ended up adding these to give us a little bit more height and a little bit more actual lift height to kind of help level his truck out. And eventually we'll switch that over to an actual block system to give him some more usable height, I guess would be the term. I think that pretty much does it. And then still got to run the airline like I mentioned earlier. So we'll take you guys on over to the other side and show you exactly what to do.
All right, guys. So jumping over to the other side. So we're going to start off with just pre-drilling these holes. So this is from the fifth wheel. In the kit, it does tell you to reuse your old hardware. This obviously was welded on, which is a lot nicer. I'm going to leave that welded on. We're going to go ahead and just drill these holes out to the diameter that these are. If yours doesn't have holes there, you will have to put your mounting plate up there. And punch it, set it to where you like it, and then go ahead and drill your holes. In the kit, those holes are not drilled on the right side. The left side are already pre-drilled. Sorry, guys. That wasn't really focusing in. But this is the plate. So when the plate sits in there, obviously you see that right side has no holes. We're going to have to go ahead and drill those holes out and then drill the holes inside this plate. The left side towards the front of the vehicle already has the holes pre-drilled, but we do not have any existing holes. So we're gonna go ahead and drill 4 new holes. Obviously this side's got 3. I don't think we really need it. If I do, I can always add one into the future. This side, we are going to have to find some bolts. So go ahead and look before you guys start your project, because if you do not have those bolts, you can't really move forward from this position. So go ahead and make sure, if you don't have those bolts, get those bolts, and we're going to go ahead and show you the rest of the steps. Okay, so we just went ahead and pre-drilled those 2 holes on the right side that we're going to need, so we can go ahead and punch from the back side to know where we're going to have to be drilling for the rear end of that plate. So we're doing the driver's side right now. So we're going to have to do the exact same thing. We're going to have to put this plate up here. Make sure, don't judge my nails and my hands, they're all dirty. Try and match the exact same distance at the top that you have on the other side, so when you add your pressure and everything in there, everything is level. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do, since we just drilled those 2 on the right, we're gonna go ahead and grab the marker, and we're gonna go ahead and mark where we're gonna be drilling those holes, and we're gonna drill right into that frame. All right, now that we got all 4 of these holes pre-drilled, we also have the mounting bracket pre-drilled right there. Those come drilled from the factory, so we didn't have to touch those. I would recommend maybe spraying your frame rail here. I did not do it on the other side, I completely forgot, but I did have the spray paint, so I am gonna have to do that very, very shortly before all the snow falls here and the salt comes in Michigan. So go ahead and make sure that you spray that, because these are old trucks. You don't want to make more new rust spots in your truck. So let's go ahead and make sure we spray over that. We're going to go ahead and show you how to assemble these bags a little bit here. So this kit comes with a couple of different things. In my specific case, I am using my longer U-bolts than the short ones that they gave us. So we're not using these ones. We are going to be using these 2, don't mind the mess. So you got your bag, those 3. This little nozzle, this will be at the top. You got 4 of these. These are all the same. So it doesn't matter which one you put where, all 4 of them are the same. So when it comes to assembling the bottom half, obviously we just pre-drilled those holes. Here is the bottom, because you know what we do. We're gonna look at the other side. We're gonna set it up the exact same way. The way you have this lip is gonna come on over, like Dustin was saying. We are gonna have to get one of those spacers or the blocks that go inside of here, because I do not like this. This is a temporary, just to get me home sort of kit right now. But it is going to be safe to drive. So, like I was saying, now you got that facing out. Go ahead and move these. Gotta love the metal workbench tailgate. Woo woo. The way that these go, I already put this on because when we did the other side, I forgot to tighten this. And when you put this bracket on and then you put the other upper bracket on, y'all can't really tighten it. You can, it doesn't leak. We sprayed it, tested it, does not leak, but I don't like it. So we're gonna flip this on over. I only got one hand. So I'm gonna try and do this the best we can. Actually, we're gonna flip this camera around. Try and stick you on here somewhere where you're not gonna fall. It's gonna have to do. Take your bag upside down, right? You got your mount. on in there. Sorry, this is very weird to do this. We're gonna stick it on in there, just like that. Stay tuned. I'm gonna put this together.
Well, hey guys. If you can't tell, it's a different day. I forgot to film an outro because the phone died. So, as you guys saw at the end there, where you buttoned up the bolts, got everything lined up, ran the airlines. Nothing too crazy type of deal. I know my posting again, I apologize, it's been erratic, but I've been sick. We ended up going north to go pick up a new project, so we got another OBS coming to the channel. I'm super excited about this. I'll be giving you guys full walk around video on that truck. I'll give you the background story because it's a true barn find. It's my first classic too. So this is gonna be really cool. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen it. If you haven't, go check out my Instagram. Dustin, DUSTIN_Fleming. It'll be down below in the description. Same with my TikTok and, you know, the whole nine, whatever. So for you guys that have stuck around to the very end of this, thank you. As always, I appreciate you guys. Seriously. If you could, please hit that like button, hit the sub button, comment, share it with your friends, share it with somebody you know that might need a little bit of advice if they're doing something similar. Now I'm kind of on crunch time. I've got about 5 months before my first show. We have Music City Showdown, Ultimate Call Out Challenge, Daytona, and as you know, maybe you don't, Daytona got moved or canceled, I should say. Daytona Truck Meet is no more. It's sad. It really sucks that people are shitty and have to ruin it for people like us that actually respect it and are just there for the car community. So please, guys with the squatted trucks and all that shit, cut it out, man. Just have some respect when you go to shows, please, because you're starting to ruin it for everybody now, and it's really sad. Just have some respect and common sense, courtesy. That's all I can ask, please. So there's the shows. Daytona's getting moved. I'll be at wherever they end up moving it in Florida. Should be around about the same time. So June, I'll be down there. So if any of you guys are going to any of these shows, look for me. I'll be at the shows. I'll talk to you. It'd be great to meet some of you guys. You'll get to meet probably Vasco at some of these shows. I'm sure he'll probably be at a lot of them. You'll get to meet a couple of the other guys that you'll end up seeing on the channel and stuff like that too. If you could tell, like I said, I'm just getting over being sick, so my nose and throat's still a little Quick update on the Jeep, because I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Jeep got new wheels and tires. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that. But it's currently sitting dead. Alternator's fried. Why, we have no idea. So I've been dealing with that, plus the sickness and holidays, and it's been a lot, man. I've been run down, so it was good just to kind of take a break and take a couple of days, rest, relax, and get back to 100%, and we're almost there. So now it's about to be full steam ahead after New Year's, and hopefully we can start ramping up I should say me can start ramping up my video output and stuff like that, and start really pumping out some videos for you guys as parts come in and stuff like that, and you'll kind of see the process. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here, y'all. I know that was kind of long-winded, but for those of you that stuck around, like I said, man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for sticking around and listening to my rants, I guess. So without further ado, I'm gonna take off, finish editing this video, get it out to you guys. So I appreciate you. I hope you guys have an awesome day, evening, night, whatever it may be, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, hopefully here sooner than later. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.